In this tutorial, you will learn how to share reflections on Catalyst. Building a strong professional learning network is an integral part of continuing to learn and grow professionally. Catalyst makes this process easier than ever by providing multiple opportunities for sharing goals, evidence, and reflections across your PLN with a few clicks. Catalyst users can share the reflections they write and the evidence they upload in support of their progress towards identified goals with their individual connections and groups. Once you're logged into Catalyst, navigate to the My Reflections tab on the bottom half of your dashboard. Here you can see your recent reflections. You can choose to share one or more reflections with individuals or groups from your community by simply clicking the Share button. Whenever you share a reflection with another user or group, they will receive a notification and have the opportunity to review and comment on your reflection. If someone shares their work with you, you can find it under Shared with Me. Your comments and reviews will help others on their professional growth journey.